tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe, and always do at least 2 things at the same time. Peace. All right, we're about to do video 2, people, because I have a special surprise. Just get this over here, put this MacBook on top of that one, put the trash in the Apple bag. Mission accomplished. So I am here with the MacBook Air 2020. But wait, I'm also here with the AirPods Pros. And we're gonna have a look at that as well in this super cool unboxing. Yes, I'm here with the AirPods Pros, and it's insane that I'm here with the AirPods Pros. I literally just got these a couple months ago, the Sony WF-1000XM3s. So how did I end up with AirPods Pros? Well, when I was buying the MacBook, part of the student discount was it was $100 off, plus you got free AirPods. But you could upgrade them to AirPods Pros for only $90 more. And I was really thinking about it because, you know, Jeff already has AirPods. They're originally my AirPods, and I gave them to him. Then I have the Jabra Elites, and I love those more than the AirPods. And then I got these because I got these for $100, and, you know, over the AirPods Pros. And I would have really taken either one because, you know, from what I hear, I've never personally tried the AirPods Pros, but these are pretty closely matched. But the AirPods Pros do edge it out with, you know, water resistance, and if you have an iPhone, this is going to be a more seamless pairing process. So for the price, these made sense, but this was a chance that I had to get the AirPods Pros for pretty much $90. I mean, I was gonna get the computer either way, and I didn't even realize it came with free AirPods. I had to go with my gut instinct and just get them anyway, which, let's just go ahead and get it open. Let me just mask my guilt in packaging. So here we are with the AirPods Pros. We got our Apple mandatory box. Do these come with stickers or a sticker? I don't think that they'll do that. No, this is just the instructions on how to pair them. So we got the AirPods themselves. What else is in this box? It has a pull-away cover, and then you have your lightning cable. Interestingly enough, they did USB-C to lightning. And the reason that that's interesting is, like, okay, let's say if you're in the Apple ecosystem. Theoretically, yes, you could charge these if you have a MacBook, like a MacBook Air, like I just unboxed last week. Oh, here are your additional ear tips as well. Let's open these up. But yeah, theoretically, you could charge these. Yeah, you could charge these with a MacBook Air if you had like a cheaper computer. But the only other way that you'd have a USB-C charging brick is if you had an iPhone Pro or an iPad Pro. So it's like either you already own one of our Pro products, or if you want to plug this into a wall outlet, you're buying a charging brick if you don't already have one. I mean, a lot of people might already have one. There are a lot of other devices that are using USB-C as well. So for me, it's not a big deal. And these also do wireless charging, which is another difference between these and the Sony ones. So yeah, I just thought that was kind of funny. That it comes with this cable versus just the standard USB-A. So let's get these open because this is what people came to see. This is the main show. And I really didn't appreciate how small this case is. Like in comparison to the Sonys, especially. I mean, these are generally bigger headphones, but yeah, you kind of appreciate it as someone who's been lugging around the bigger case. Well, I haven't been lugging it around. I haven't been going anywhere really except for to the mall to pick these up. But yeah, the case is small. I think this is the first time I've really ever held it. I've seen the AirPods Pros out there in the wild. I've never actually picked up the case or actually even held the headphones themselves. All right, so let's go ahead and just do the magic. Let's get these paired up. So, of course, typical AirPod fashion, you hold them beside the phone and boom, they automatically pop up, then you connect them, And then these kind of go over the controls. Okay, so they do need to be charged. Definitely. But I don't know, let's get these out of the case. These are a little bit lighter than the Sony ones. The Sony ones are big, but they're actually not that heavy. Oh my gosh. So I have my opinions, but I gotta listen to these to kind of confirm what I'm thinking. One of my ear tips came off. This is supposed to be an unboxing, not an unfixing. Okay, so this is gonna be my completely subjective opinion from trying these versus these. They're both very good. Now the AirPods Pros, as soon as I put them in, like the noise canceling, I automatically knew that it was on. Like it was a bigger difference. And then when I put these in, like, you know, these are okay, but noise canceling wise, like I definitely noticed. And that was probably because I was able to instantly get a good seal. Now this is gonna be like dependent on your ears, but it's a lot more difficult for me to get a good seal with these headphones than it was with the AirPods Pros. And I even did the little test just to make sure, because I was like, huh, this seal feels really good. Let me do the little ear test to see what the actual app says. And it did say that it had a good seal, which I already kind of figured I did. But like, yeah, I just put them in and then boom, I was good to go. And these are just with the default ear tips. Of course, you do have the two other sizes. Now, audio quality wise, these sound better in my opinion, and a little bit better, but if you got either one, like unless you listen to both of them, you probably wouldn't notice. It has a way deeper bass. And then also with the highs, I felt like this was a lot sharper. This has a deeper sound. And then these are also, I think at max volume, are a little bit louder, but they're clearer at max volume than the AirPods Pros are. And none of these differences are major. They both sound good. These have a different sound. If you listen to more bass heavy music, then these are probably gonna be the better choice. If you're really focused on like the noise canceling with music, you know, that just all around is going to sound good no matter what genre you listen to, then these are fine. These are good too. I'm really blown away by the AirPods Pros. Like the noise canceling is what surprised me the most. I expected the audio quality to be, you know, better than the regular AirPods, which they are. My opinion, not as good as these, but that's going to be opinion. They're both really good. I don't think like if you got either one, you're going to be like, man, I'm disappointed. Of course, like I said, this has the water resistance and the wireless charging. This doesn't. So, but they're really two different kinds of headphones. So as far as like me, what am I going to choose? Because Jeff really wants these headphones. And what I thought about, I was like, I'm going to have a hard time giving these to Jeff, because I do kind of miss like the AirPods, the convenience of them, whatnot, having the smaller case. But I don't think I can give up the sound quality of these. I think I'm going to stick with my Sonys. If I change my mind, I'll definitely make a video to update you. But yeah, this has been my unboxing and kind of my first initial out-of-the-box impressions of the AirPods Pros. And if you enjoyed this video today, make sure to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe, and always do at least 2 things at the same time. Peace.